Hello, I'm Steve Wilbur, Managing Director at Allen Capital Group.
And I'm Travis Portwood, Chief Investment Officer with Allen Capital Group.
Travis, we just had a great discussion about risk and how to define it. And you had mentioned how smart, rational people make irrational decisions in times of stress and market volatility. How do we help make sure our clients don't make all the wrong decisions at all the wrong times?
Right. Well, I think it starts with coaching, and not just coaching your clients during the difficult times in markets, coaching them during the good times in markets as well. Over time, people have been preconditioned to think of their portfolio in terms of stocks and bonds. But what if you looked at it in a different way and each part of the portfolio had a specific purpose or a specific role to play, right? So if you've got a bucket of money that you need over the next 1 to 3 years, you might structure that part of the portfolio differently, right? Cash and short-term notes. On the other hand, you might have, money you don't need for 10 plus years. And you can structure that part of the portfolio for growth, but along with that comes more volatility.
Yeah, and so let's help the viewers understand that might be watching this. So the bucket number two, you can handle the volatility. There's going to be fluctuation, but that's not necessarily going to matter because it's so far down the road. The bucket one is where your stability is, where you're going to be drawing your income from, and potentially having dry gunpowder to be able to reinvest back into maybe more risky investments at lower prices.
Right. So yeah, having that short-term bucket, gives you peace of mind, right? Knowing your short-term needs are met, it gives you peace of mind and helps you not overreact when you see your long-term money fluctuate, right? And that short-term bucket, let's be honest, it's going to be comprised of cash and short-term notes that in today's environment aren't paying a lot of interest. But if they having those and knowing your short-term needs are met can prevent you from making an irrational decision during times of market stress, the real yield on that cash and short-term notes is more than you're going to see on paper.
Yeah, no, I completely agree. That's a great point, Travis. This has been great, and I look forward to talking with you next week.
Absolutely. Thanks, Steve.
If this bucket strategy fits your needs, our contact information is below, and we look forward to speaking with you.